medyo kakataas ko lang dito and mag-teach tayo for today's video. So guys, look at my nails. Press on lang yan guys. Lagay ko yung link sa baba. Say hi! Say hi to the vlog! Guys, nanonood kami ng U-Up hanggang dito. Postura. Bakit ka nakasmile? Video to. Insert na lang po namin si Mamia. Ayaw ka bakit lalubog na tayo short. Teha! Daddy!
We'll get right here and you lady boy.
9! 16 play! 16!
Good!
Wait, wait! Take it! Bakit wala? Stop tayo. Pag may pasa, ready pa rin sa bigay. Walang, tag-iisa lang, walang problema.
Inside! Inside!
Kulang pa. Mga kailan. Sa inahin.
Survive that. Go for that. No?
Guys, na lang! Pasok ko doon!
Excellent. And so was the delivery. Angel. Is another Schrader Wimbledon of the game brought to you by Sunsil. Sunsil Filipino Silva. 100% here. Swing it. Canino will try again. Wala na. Challenge as much and winning convincingly. On tap to serve.
Agad third set pa, boy. Ako.
Canino. Canino dives. She looks at Corrido.
Grabe mukha yan, oh. Tingnan na natin yung champion.
Kami?
200.
Gusto nandun ako na hindi na ako sa ingay.
Cash in.
Hello guys! Welcome to the me!
Pang vlog mo ate. What's that? I don't know. We don't know. Pag yan tumalon sa'yo bigla ate.
May anak pepper!
Wow, San Benildo.
Pepper fish?
Record na ba to? Ay, ayun na. Paano i-stop? Okay na. Ay. Bago ba tayo ma-stop? Guys, we're stuck. Yung mag-hi ka na lang.
Okay guys,
Hi guys.
bili kami teenage guys.
Nadamit kami dyan sa SM. Kasi parang wala na kami pag-asa.
Hanggang huli pa sa amin pera, pero wala na kami pera. Drop talaga. Hi guys.
Plan maghanap ng hardware. Okay, so nakikita na namin ang life.
Nakita namin guys.